In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email newsletters from WordPress. We'll start by getting everything set up smoothly and efficiently to ensure your newsletters are both effective and timely. First things first, you'll need to install and activate a plugin called MailPoet. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. There, you'll find a section labeled Plugins. Click on it, and then select Add New. In the search bar, type MailPoet, and once it appears, click on Install Now, and then Activate. This powerful tool will be the backbone of our newsletter scheduling process, making sure everything runs seamlessly. Once installed, follow the Setup Wizard's instructions to connect your site with the MailPoet sending service. This step is crucial as it ensures your emails have a high deliverability rate, meaning they are more likely to land in your subscribers' inboxes rather than their spam folders. Next, let's move to creating your newsletter. Head over to the MailPoet section in your dashboard and select Emails. Click on the New Email button to kick off the process. You'll be prompted to choose the type of email you want to send. For our purposes, select Newsletter. It's time to give your newsletter a distinctive name. Once you've done that, you'll need to choose a template to match the style and tone of your brand. MailPoet offers a wide variety of professional templates that you can fully customize to meet your needs. A clever design with appealing colors and a clear message goes a long way in catching your subscribers' interests. With your template ready, use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add your specific content. This editor is user-friendly and allows you to include text, images, buttons, and even social media links. Make sure your message is clear and engaging. The goal is to capture attention and drive interaction. Once you're satisfied with the content and design, click Next, which will lead you to the final steps in this process. Now it's time to schedule the newsletter. This is a crucial step where we set up the timing and recipient list for your email. In the To field, you'll need to select the list you've previously created. It might be labeled something like Newsletter Subscribers. Moving to the When section, you'll notice a drop-down that initially says Send Now. Instead, click on this drop-down and choose Schedule for later. This is where the magic happens. You can now select the precise date and time you want your newsletter to be sent out. Once you've selected the appropriate schedule, click the Schedule button to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your newsletter is now set up to be sent exactly when you want it, leaving you free to focus on creating more great content without worrying about manually sending emails. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes sending emails a breeze.